Hey, Deacon. Are you eating? Are you eating your food? Is it good? Is it good for you? Yeah? Yum, yum. Did you put a banana? What are you eating? Are you eating strawberries, blueberries, bananas, snap green beans, broccoli? Ooh, you got a lot of good food. He's wearing half of it under his neck. So, Deacon. Is that good? You want more banana? More banana? Please. There we go. There we go. More banana. Oh, good stuff. This is what a happy baby looks like when his belly's getting full. Nope, not going to eat it. Going to go back for the strawberry. Second time's a charm, huh? No, don't throw the food over. No. No. Oh, really? Really? You gonna talk to Grandma? Huh? They learn young. Look at that. No. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Deke, can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, he's done. But, oh my goodness, has he been eating? All right. What are we going to do, Deke? Okay, bye-bye. Now we're going to get a drink.